Good evening, good morning, wherever you're out in the world. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Theory. Welcome to this episode. Guys, let's talk about Verge crypto because it's up at this point 6.5x, 7x almost. So I know you guys hear me talk about a lot of cryptos on here, and Verge is definitely not one that I bring up a lot. But I do believe that these cryptocurrencies that are somehow tied to the payment system narrative, I do believe that these cryptocurrencies will all go up soon. This is just my opinion, guys. You know, don't take this as any kind of financial advice. This is strictly my opinion. I don't want you to take anything I say too strongly here. This is just a channel for entertainment purposes, but nonetheless, guys, this Verge currency coin has been doing very well, and it's all been within about a week and a half that we've seen almost a 6-7x price increase on Verge crypto. Now, the interesting part here is, even though I keep talking about Verge crypto price and how much it's increased, it's not really particularly Verge crypto that I'm even bullish on. Really, I would say that Verge crypto and all the other payment system coins might be somehow coordinated or correlated to an upward price motion in the near term. Now, again, this may or may not happen. I'm not a fortune teller, and this very well could not be the case whatsoever, and prices could go back down and altcoins could go lower, but it just seems a little bit different this time with the timing and other aspects of the market that kind of seem that wouldn't be the case, because if we think of everything that happened, Terra Luna, FTX, all these failures in essentially crypto exchanges, as well as all the crackdown on Binance, the European Union actually laying down some type of legislation, some type of introduction to a direction on where to go with cryptocurrencies. That way there's at least some type of structure for cryptocurrencies companies to follow, or blockchain companies, whatever. And the UK has even taken initiative recently too. So even though the US and the world might be divided on crypto right now, the price might not be as divided as one may think. I think the payment system coins, guys, are just inevitably they're really just going to go up, and they really don't have any choice but to go up. And the reason is because of the way the mining works, the way that the tokenomics behind the coins are set up to create a demand in the price point of a coin. So it's actually not just a coin that people think of like, oh, well, I have to buy Zcash and I have to buy Verge. Like, it is that. But when they're all on trading pairs on the exchanges, and there just becomes this increasing pressure on, the price to go up, whether it's less block reward for miners, whether it's more people are buying the news on a coin, short-term holds come in, that kind of thing. These are all just small pushes that could essentially raise the market cap very quickly. Because, guys, you got to remember, a lot of these altcoins that have these tokenomics set in, the prices are, on market caps are less than $1 billion. So, you add $1 billion, you see how quick it'll go up and how euphoric it could get, especially when there's trading pairs on pretty much every single one of them. So, there's some that are bigger than others. There's market caps that are, larger than others. There's Litecoin, there's XRP, some bigger market cap coins. But some of these coins like Dash, Zcash, all these ones I've been talking about on this channel, Verge, Firo, these market caps really aren't that big, which is not necessarily a bad thing if you want to look at it for price. I would wish they would be, seismically bigger in every respect, just because, you know, we want to see, you know, trillion-dollar market caps on some of these coins like Fyro. I mean, you know, at least I do. You know, I want to see absurd market caps that are just unheard on some of these ones that have built out the cryptocurrencies the proper way. And you guys know the ones I like. I mean, sure, some of them have had a pre-mine, and, you know, that is what it is. I know that's kind of up to skepticism, but for the most part, a lot of these cryptos are still around. They're still, you know, have active communities that are trying to do better for the world. So I liked all those things about it. And of course, everybody likes when the price goes up. So, you know, based on just these tokenomics, guys, and the way all this mining and stuff's set up through these cryptos, you can almost guarantee that the price is going to increase at some point. And you can almost guarantee that the smaller the market caps get, the more euphoria is going to be in that price increase, because, you know, like I said, some of these market caps are ridiculously small, like, you know, like $500 million or, you know, 200, 300 million on some of these altcoins that we love. So you might be a whale if you hold some of them, guys, because you know, that's just not a lot of market cap. It doesn't take very much to move them. So I know this is turning into a bit of a rant, but you know, with Verge going up and all these other cryptos going up, I mean, you got to assume something's going on, guys. Got to assume Fyro. You got to assume Verge. You got to assume, you know, the unexpected on some of these, because I don't know. I don't think a lot of people know about Verge, guys. I don't think a lot of people are talking about Verge cryptocurrency, at least on YouTube. So my videos are some of the only ones that pop up. I'm not even making consistent videos on Verge, guys, but I have been telling you about it for, you know, over 2 years. And, you know, this is just one of those finite coins I found on HitBTC years ago. And it's, you know, sure enough, still trading. Yeah, guys, let me know. Drop into the comments. Let me know if you want to hear more, you know, more footage on any particular coin. And love to hear your feedback on Verge cryptocurrency, guys. So making a video on Verge tonight.